name is Lindsay Waters. I am 34 years old. I live in Adairsville, Georgia. I've been married 15 years. I have two kids, 11 years old and 14 years old. I have worked for Shaw Industries for 13 years. I've been a project manager for 7 years. I enjoy my job. I mostly work with the federal government, Army recruiting, anything to do with the federal government across the whole U.S. I handle. I manage all their projects. I have been at GHC for my second semester. I did my first semester at Shorter. I really enjoyed Shorter, but the semesters were kind of pricey and high, so I decided my second semester I'd go ahead and transfer, so I did. The one thing I did like about the one thing I learned about writing at Shorter was we did APA format. After reading some of the syllabus, I did see that it has a good bit of MLA writing in it, so that's going to be a change for me. I did see the video that was posted, so that really helped me in setting up my format to make sure that I'm starting out my papers correctly. I also seen in the syllabus where it talks about being more organized. As being a working adult and as busy as I am, I'm a full-time student, I'm a full-time mom, I'm a full-time worker. There's a lot on my plate, so I have to stay organized. And so I really enjoyed reading that in the syllabus where it talks about being very organized. Also, where it talks about being a better writer. A lot of employers want strong written communication skills. And I've seen that a lot in my career. A lot of interviews I've went to, some of them actually have asked me to write things about maybe a job or a situation that happened at work. We called it STARS, is what they called it. And a lot of times it was basically in an essay format. So it really helped in having some English in my background. Of course, I had high school English, but having a little bit of shorter English there. It was basically an intro class, so it technically wasn't my English class, but it did help me. A lot of times, some of it's very overwhelming because, as in any job and school and having a family, you do have a lot on your plate. I also read in the syllabus where it talks about working through eras and just basically getting a better grasp on how to write. I know a lot of times I write emails to customers, and you have to sound very professional in those emails. And my work puts me through classes. It's called email etiquettes back then, and it's basically teaching you. You can sometimes come across in an email a little bit snarky or rude. How to write in a professional way to a customer, because this is their business. They want you to represent them in a way that you're representing Shaw. Let me see. I have two dogs. I think I've said I had two kids. I've been married for 15 years. We're actually looking at buying a new house right now, so hopefully we're going to stay in Adairsville. I'm taking Accounting 1 in class at Georgia Highlands and Accounting 2 after my Accounting 1, so that's fun. I'm glad I'm taking it though, because I actually just got done with my algebra and trig, and I felt like that was a good class to take right after math, because it's not technically a math class, but it somewhat is. I really enjoyed the in-class sessions or classes that I'm going to. I've never done that at GHC. I did when I went to Shorter. I did go to the classes there at night, which was somewhat of a strain. I mean, it took a while to get used to, but I definitely enjoyed it. And I hope to enjoy this English class and learning how to write better. And I appreciate it. Thanks so much. Y'all have a good day.